My name is Luthra. I'm an associate in the business law group, and I specialize in mergers and acquisitions, succession planning, and general contract review. My approach to practicing law is, as a business lawyer, I try to be a problem solver, and I try to take a practical approach and look at the client's goals and help them evaluate risks and figure out what's the best approach to getting where they want to go for their business, whether it's a transaction or a contract or another matter. I'm just trying to help them get that transaction closed while also protecting them and their business. I became a lawyer because I wanted to help people. My parents are both physicians, and it was instilled in me at a young age that it'd be a really fulfilling career where you're helping and servicing others. Unfortunately, medicine wasn't my calling, but I was lucky and fortunate enough in law school to kind of get exposed to business and corporate law, and I thought I saw a fit there. What I really liked was I interned at PepsiCo and Madison Square Garden, two huge companies, but I got to see how their legal team kind of aligned with the business and helped push the business forward. And it also taught me principles like, risk management and, explaining to, how business law really works. Like, at the end of the day, we're problem solvers and we're helping a business move forward with their objectives, but we can identify risk, but we also ultimately need to help them push their business forward. And I take those principles and use them in my practice every day. So, most memorable case. Well, probably most memorable cases. I'm a big sports fan, and I've been fortunate over the last 8 years of my career. I've been able to work on a lot of sponsorship agreements for various clients with the Buffalo Bills and the Buffalo Sabres and other professional sports teams. So it's always a cool part of the job, just seeing the business side of sports and how my career intersects with that. Outside of work, I try to just relax and spend time with friends and family. Check out the local Buffalo restaurants. I think a few of my favorites are Hutch's and Oliver's and JT's. Also a big sports fan. Love the Bills. Go to a lot of games. We're in this weird place where they're Super Bowl favorites, but we're going to see how they deal with prosperity this year. And also just love going to concerts and comedy shows and things like that. Legal tip for my practice group, the business law practice group, is I always tell business owners that they should evaluate their shareholders or their operating agreement. If not, annually is probably too soon, but either biannually, but no later than every 5 years, because your objectives and your succession plan might change at any point. So you don't want to be stuck with an outdated document that no longer reflects the wishes and desires for your business that you had at the outset or that you had at a different point in time.